Everyone should have a foam roller. It's like a little mini massage, just like everybody should get a massage every single month. Now, if you have benefits, you should be getting a massage every single month because they're amazing. Book them ahead, have something to look forward to, and you're taking care of yourself for the entire year. Why wouldn't you? So the foam roller acts just like a little mini massage that you can do for yourself at home. What it's gonna do is it's gonna increase blood flow to the area. It's gonna decrease tension, decrease pain on those muscles. It's gonna calm down the nervous system, and it's gonna increase flexibility. All things that you can do on an easy, regular basis on your own. Now the foam roller, when we're using it, there's a couple rules. First, you don't wanna roll where there's no muscle. So rolling right on your ribs, stuff like that, that's gonna hurt, cause damage. Now, if you're a little bit older and you don't have as much muscle mass as you used to, you do wanna be gentle, be careful. Maybe ask your therapist if foam rolling is right for you, because you do wanna be gentler if you're on the older side of the life spectrum. Now, with foam rolling, the most important thing is you're gonna roll where it's painful, and you're gonna roll in short little bursts. But in addition to rolling where it's painful, you also want to roll in the front and the back. So for example, if you're getting, say, quad tightness in the front, what you're going to do, you are going to kind of roll and just like a little back and forth, kind of back and forth. You're not going to hit the entire muscle in one go. You're just going to kind of move, hit one spot for a couple seconds, move it down or hit a different angle, and then just kind of go back and forth. But if the pain is in the front, you also want to hit the equal or opposite muscle. So if the pain's in the front, you're going to hit the muscle in the back. That's going to release the tension, because wherever there's pain, there's usually pain on the opposite side. The body works in very characteristic patterns. So the same idea, what we're going to do is you're going to hit that same spot in the back just to increase the flexibility, the range of motion on that side as well. Now, when you're doing this, it's important to breathe. If you're doing it so much and it's so painful that you're holding your breath, when you hold your breath, your muscles tighten up and it completely defeats the purpose of foam rolling. So whenever you're putting pressure, whether it's through your calf or through your hip, for example, if you're trying to work your hip and it's too painful, put your foot down, make it a little bit easier so you can actually roll and it's comfortable and you can breathe and talk. If you sit there and you're holding your breath, your muscles are going to tighten up and it completely defeats the purpose of foam rolling. So I highly recommend that everybody does this for about 2 to 5 minutes every single day. It's going to loosen things up, it's going to feel better, and it's going to prevent that cumulative buildup. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't want to foam roll every single day, I highly recommend getting a massage. Come in with one of our amazing professionals. They're going to loosen you up. You're going to feel absolutely amazing walking out of here. The best investment you can do is in yourself to make yourself feel better. So come get a massage or foam roll every single day. Have a good weekend.